Whether you're designing a survey, creating a form, or preparing a checklist, knowing how to insert an interactive checkbox can significantly improve the usability and professionalism of your Word documents. Interactive checkboxes in Word allow users to digitally confirm or approve sections of a document, including signatures. Before inserting interactive checkboxes, it's advisable to customize your Word workspace to ensure the Developer tab is visible, as it provides the toolset necessary for inserting form controls. Click File and go to Options. Select Customize ribbon. In the right-hand column, check the box for Developer and click OK. Here's our Developer tab now. Next, place your cursor where you want the checkbox. Then go to the Developer tab and click on the Checkbox Content Control button, a square with a check mark inside. This will now insert interactive checkbox. To customize the interactive checkbox, right-click on the checkbox and select Properties. In the Properties window, you can change the checkbox symbol. Customize its size and appearance. Click OK to save your settings. Repeat the same steps to add another interactive checkbox. Or just copy and paste. This covers how to add an interactive checkbox in Microsoft Word. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.